Welcome to our latest video unveiling the creme de la creme of Dutch ovens in 2024. From sizzling braises to mouth-watering stews and beyond, we're about to take you on a tour of the ultimate cooking companions. Join us as we explore. Bruntmor. Bruntmor's 2-in-1 pre-seasoned cast iron Dutch oven is the first in the collection. For any cooking aficionado, this is a game changer. The combination of porcelain enamel and strong cast iron results in an incredible powerhouse of cookware. Its enamel coating not only provides a bright touch, but also functions as a barrier against heat and water, assuring long-lasting durability. This pot's brilliance resides in its capacity to uniformly transfer heat, transforming your recipes into scrumptious, succulent delicacies every time. With this Dutch oven, cleaning is a breeze. Although it's dishwasher safe, a quick hand wash with warm water and mild detergent keeps it in excellent shape for years of usage. Another standout feature is its versatility. From cooktop to oven to grill, this adaptable cookware changes smoothly, excelling in a variety of culinary styles such as searing, braising, baking, and more. The construction is meticulous, showing Bruntmor's dedication to high-quality cookware. Each element has been meticulously intended to make your cooking experience easier, whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef. With its continuous performance and dependability, this Dutch oven is a genuine kitchen worker, turning every meal into a beauty. Martha Stewart Gatwick. The Martha Stewart Gatwick 7-quart enamel cast iron Dutch oven follows next. This is a culinary powerhouse and a kitchen staple, with its stainless steel knob-adorned lid. It's a multi-purpose workhorse made of robust cast iron that's perfect for one-pot marvels. Because of its capacity to transmit and sustain heat, it is ideal for slow cooking, braising, simmering, stewing, baking casseroles, and even baking artisanal bread. But it's not only about practicality. With its brightly enameled exterior, this Dutch oven also serves as a conversation piece. It's the type of cookware that not only performs well in the kitchen, but also improves the presentation of any dining table. The enamel-coated inside isn't only easy to clean, it's also astonishingly scratch-resistant, keeping its perfect appearance even after repeated meals. The Gatwick Dutch oven features thoughtful components for ease of use in addition to functionality. The generously wide handles provide a firm hold, making it simple to carry from burner to oven and then to the table for a stunning presentation. Overmont. Next up is the Overmont enameled cast iron Dutch oven. This heavyweight champion in cookware comes complete with a lid, guidebook, and cotton heat-resistant caps. Its superior enamel cast iron, painstakingly crafted, ensures top-notch heat distribution and retention, guaranteeing your gourmet masterpieces are cooked to perfection every time. The robust integrated molding ensures longevity, making this Dutch oven a dependable partner for culinary endeavors. One of its distinguishing characteristics is its ability to perfectly maintain tastes. It maintains the correct humidity within by cleverly enabling water vapor to condense evenly on the lid, keeping your meals luscious and bursting with flavor. Unlike traditional pot covers, which allow moisture to drop down, this lid invention keeps your food wet and tasty. This Overmont Dutch oven is all about versatility. From simmering and boiling to roasting and frying, this one pot is a versatile superstar, simplifying your kitchen and boosting your culinary expertise. On top of that, its universal compatibility with various stovetops, gas, electric, ceramic, and even induction makes it an excellent choice for any kitchen. And it doesn't stop there. This Dutch oven is even oven-safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, providing a wide range of cooking options for your convenience. Granitestone. The Granitestone lightweight 6.5-quart Dutch oven pot with lid comes next. With its unique design and improved performance, this one redefines cooking. This Dutch oven, made of lightweight cast aluminum, provides unsurpassed convenience without sacrificing durability or elegance. Its ultra non-stick surface, along with its lightweight construction, makes it ideal for a wide range of culinary duties, from roasting meats to slow cooking heavy stews, and it easily caters to family-sized dinners. The enamel coating gives a touch of elegance while serving directly from the stove or oven. The extraordinary lightweight structure of this Dutch oven weighs just 2.5 pounds without the lid and 3.5 pounds with the top, a staggering 75% less than typical Dutch ovens. This function ensures a stress-free cooking and serving experience by decreasing strain and making handling easier. The 3-layered ceramic nonstick coating with diamonds ensures that no food or liquids cling while frying or baking. This encourages healthy cooking without the use of additional oils or butters, allowing for simple food release and quick cleanups, as well as lower-calorie meals. The thick metal design of this Dutch oven keeps heat trapped within, guaranteeing constant heat distribution for uniform cooking throughout. Added to that, the lid effectively channels moisture back into the pot, increasing taste and keeping food pleasantly moist. Made in Cookware. Following that is the 5.5 quart Dutch oven by Made in Cookware. This one has a lovely blue tone and represents the height of culinary skill. This French-made enameled cast iron masterpiece has amazing specs, including a total width of 14.5 inches, providing an ample cooking surface area of 8.75 inches, a total height of 4.84 inches, and a cooking surface height of 4.65 inches. The remarkable heat retention and circulation of this Dutch oven ensures heat is uniformly distributed, transforming tough portions of meat into juicy, delicate braises that virtually fall off the bone. Cleaning and upkeep are a breeze thanks to the non-stick enamel coating, ensuring a stress-free cooking experience. The cast iron to enamel ratio is honed with timeless competence, resulting in a Dutch oven made to last generations. It has the durability and quality of a treasured family heirloom and will provide great meals for years to come. Plus, the exclusive cloud cover lid is a striking feature, with pea-sized dimples that cleverly collect steam and improve the cooking process. This ingenious cover seals in moisture, allowing tastes to deepen and dishes to reach their gastronomic peak. Hamilton Beach. The Hamilton Beach enameled cast iron Dutch oven is the last item on our list. With a huge 5.5 quart capacity, this is a kitchen workhorse that is ideal for a range of gourmet masterpieces. This Dutch oven produces recipes that will impress everyone, whether you're throwing a lavish dinner party or cooking with your family. This kitchen staple is designed for durability and even heat distribution with a chip-resistant surface that can withstand the temperatures of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The lid handle is not only comfortable to grab, but it is also designed to resist repeated use, guaranteeing that it lasts without compromising effectiveness. The design of this Dutch oven is centered on versatility. Its 5.5 quart size makes it excellent for simmering, stewing, grilling, frying, braising, and roasting, meeting a variety of culinary requirements. On top of that, its compatibility with a variety of cooking surfaces, gas, electric, glass, ceramic, induction, halogen, and oven friendliness contribute to its versatility in the kitchen. This dishwasher-safe Dutch oven has a PFOA and PTFE-free porcelain enamel coating that assures a reaction-free cooking experience and an easy-to-maintain surface, making cleanup a snap.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.